Design isn't just something you see or touch or hear. Premium design is something you feel in your core. When you pick up PomaBrush, it feels right. Press its single button and feel it spring to life. The extension of your hand. Balanced. The perfect weight. Its full silicone body. Soft to the touch. Everything an electric toothbrush needs to be and more. Your PomaBrush is an extension of you, in whatever color you choose. PomaBrush's 15,000 vibrations per minute clean thoroughly without damaging sensitive gums or enamel. Silicone's antibacterial properties keep your PomaBrush naturally clean and last longer. Just rinse and go. Or jump in the shower and rinse together. Because your PomaBrush was built to get wet. PomaBrush wants to be displayed, light and small. You'll want to bring it with you everywhere, but don't let its size fool you. Even though it's 20% smaller, it lasts 10 times longer. And with its wireless charging case, it becomes your perfect travel companion. You only need to charge your PomaBrush 3 times per year. The latest US tech meets premium Italian design in PomaBrush, the only brush you need. Back it and get yours now.